Hi friends, normally I can find the induction cooker board problem within 10 minutes, but this board I make too much time spent on this board because this came from another shop. The guy fixed this wiper 12 IC on the SMBS section, but actually this not a wiper IC board. That's why I spent too much time, more than half an hour, to find the actual problem. So this IC, I don't know what is the number. This is not wiper. I sure this is not wiper 12 IC. I need to fix this board without IC number. What we do? Only the solution is now I need to find out the another board and take number from the IC number. So it is risky because I found the same type of board here, but the IC number here is wiper 12. The back side is also same diagram or PCB lines like a wiper 12 LC. But here the induction over here, this is not wiper 12 diagram. Okay, the track is different. So I realized that this is not a wiper IC. Okay, so now I have only the solution now because I don't have the IC number. So I am going to fix this module, power supply module, to the board. Okay, there is a one no, there is two hole plus and minus. Here need to be give 300 volt DC. Can take from here the main filter capacitor, and there is a output 18 volt and 5 volt. So we can remove here the filter capacitor against the 18 volt and 5 volt. Then fix the 18 volt 5 volt supply there. Maybe the board can lie. So all I'll take it to color wire for giving the voltage for this board. Is my fixer to input wire. Plus is positive and black is negative, and the output also I fixed 3 wire. The black is ground and the red is 18 volt for the induction cooker fan and 5 volt for this gray wire, 5 volt for the system IC and other functioning. Okay, now I am going to fix into the induction cooker. Okay, these two input wire fix into the filter capacitor. Okay, there is a 300 volt DC power supply. Okay, this capacitor need to remove from here. Okay, because there is a 400 volt capacitor is there on the module board itself. Okay, then we need to remove this capacitor and this capacitor also, because there is the same capacitor is here. Okay, and also we need to remove the PWM from here. Okay, when you fix, don't interchange the connection. Okay, plus is plus and minus is minus, don't change. If it is interchange, make big problem for your board, may be damaged. Okay, yes, I properly fix negative wire into negative and positive wire into positive. Here you can get around the 300 volt DC. Okay, it's going to this board. Okay, I'm going to check the voltage. The meter is showing 18 volt on the red cable. On the gray cable it's showing another 5 volt. Okay, now the voltage, all the voltage is ready now. Okay, now I'm going to fix in the board. I removed 25 volt 220 mF capacitor from the main board. This is regarding to the fan power supply. Okay, and we need to also remove 5 volt capacitor from the main board. Fix all the wires same place. The ground is common and the gray wire is 5 volt and the red wire is 18 volt. Now I am going to switch on the power supply. The beep sound is coming. Okay, it is ready now. Okay, we can fix.